Yeah.
Yeah, what Grace said, there's this phenomena these days called FOMO, fear of missing out. And that's a real thing, like young people go through. It's like there's so much stuff to do and people to meet, and so they don't know what to do. So they don't choose anything, just last minute. You know, it's like, should we meet next week? Yeah, let's see on the weekend. It's like how I feel then, and then only they do.
Yeah, well, the fear of missing out is also consistent with, and or the same thing as, you know, you know, as if you want it all, right?
Mm-hmm.
See, but then you can't have it. Because if you do this, you're not going to do that. If you go here, you're not going there. If you throw a punch at me, you're not spitting at me. Make a decision. I don't care which. Okay, see, but you have no choice in that matter. There's all kinds of shit you don't have any choice in. One of the Huanchengs is called Choiceless. It's really rather difficult for people to do. Well, I hardly taught it to more than a couple people. You know, try to get into it. See, but it's like everything you do is as if a choice. If you step here, you must step here, and you must put your foot down. You have no choice about that, or you don't step there. Again, I don't care, but you don't have any choice. You understand? You must take action if you're going to take action, and when you do, you're not doing something else. No matter what action you take, it won't be some other action. You can't hammer a nail and saw. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, it didn't quite work, but you know, I guess you can't hammer a nail with a saw, but you know, you might. It's not going to work very good, but you know. See.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.